you have a jar of mini charm packs sitting around looking cute just like I do? Well, let's take some of those cute squares and make some bookmarks. They are so easy to make. You're going to need to choose 3 prints. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go to the iron and press the 1 back. All right, we're at the iron. So right, and see like your little bees, you can like look at it and see if they're going to go straight. Oh, nope. Turn it this way. They're going to go straight. Okay, so just line it up and give it a quick press. Boop, done. So now we're at the sewing machine and we're going to put it together. But the first thing, we want to put a little top stitch going right down here. So I actually like to do it more this way. Get it right up in there. Here we go. Hold your strings. So right along that edge. Boop. Cut. Cut those off. Okay, now you're going to take this 1 square to be the back. So put it facing the back. 1 square for the top. Put it on the top. Line up those little zigzag edges really good. If you need to turn your squares, you can, to make them line up like right on. And then you put the triangle piece on the top of that. We're going to clip it together, make sure it's good. And then all we're going to do is sew zoop, 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 and we're done. Right? Here we go. Tiny back stitch at the beginning. Needle down in the corner, lift your presser foot and turn. Right, needle down right in the corner, turn. I'm gonna get rid of my clip. Go. Almost there. Tiny back stitch, cut. So I went ahead and made a few more because they're so quick and easy, right? That's the beauty of mini charms. These are not gonna fray. You go using scraps that you've cut and they're gonna fray. You'll have to turn them inside out, right? Easy peasy. And look how cute in the book. Ooh. Right? Our little bees. And the yellow. I hope you guys like this quick little tutorial. Thanks. Catch you in the next one.